glide lanes and remove one single lane, leaving you with 8 total lanes. Reconnect glides using the dovetail tabs, making sure both click into place. Tear or cut the connecting tabs on the top of the tray using scissors, a box cutter, or cutting pliers. Once all connecting tabs are broken, bend the tray back and forth at the break-off points on the bottom of the tray. Peel the tray to remove the excess glide length. Discard the excess glide length. Place the 8-lane EcoTrack tray into the cooler on the shelf. The channel under the glides should fit onto the lip of the rail. Fill each lane with its designated product. Repeat for each shelf within the beverage cooler.